As you can see, 8 hours of work. 8 hours of work and how much? So the earnings was from this website, and the name of the website is, actually this website is new and it is accepting people massively. So that particular earnings you saw, I posted it few weeks after I joined. I posted it in my WhatsApp community. So, and I told my students that I'm going to teach them how to get started on this particular website. If you look at the website's interface, you can see that it is similar to Mercor AI. So instead of wasting your time on Outlier and at the end of the day, your account might get banned, so you should focus more on this new website, this website that they even pay better. Outlier has become oversaturated, and the reason that is happening is because Nigerians have casted that particular website. Nigerians have casted that website. So they have now upgraded their security systems, and they are now banning people's accounts massively. Like I said, instead of wasting your time on Outlier, you should focus more on this particular website and also on Mercor AI. Mercor AI is paying massively. Let me show you my Mercor AI earnings. So you can see my earnings on Mercor AI. So here, this is the job I am applying. I'm applying for this particular role. You can see another one. I just opened them in this one. I've already applied. Then see this one. See this one. Let me show you this one. So you can see this one. This one is image generation expert. Very, very simple job. As you can see, it pays $50 to $60 per hour. So you can read the job description. So they say they are looking for highly skilled image generation experts and prompt engineers. So like I told you, I'm currently applying for this. So that's why I opened them that's why I opened it in a new tab. And you can see another one that I opened. This one I've already applied. So let me just close it. So see this one, AI training scenarios. This one pays $80 to $105 per hour. So as you can see, it says AI training scenarios review. Like your work will be to be reviewing the submissions and all that. You can see it's quality control. So job description, you can see you can work anywhere you are remotely. You can see it here. You can work remotely. So they say they are looking for highly analytical and detail-oriented professionals to serve as quality control leads, focused on evaluating and auditing complex simulated environments and scenarios, designed to train frontier AI agents. So I'm still going to apply for this one. So there's one thing that people don't know about this website. Sometimes, in fact, most of the time you have to do an interview. You understand? Most of the time you have to do an interview, but not with a real person. It's with an AI. So the first thing you have to do is you have to write a very good resume. Because sometimes there's even one lady that she did not even do much safe. All she did was do her resume very well. And then she uploaded it. Then there are some things I told her to do on her account, and he did it. She did not even do any interview, and she got an instant work offer. Let me show you the video.
Hello, boss. Jesus Christ. I was thinking it's $35. I had to refresh. I don't even know how to say it again. But right now, I logged in again and I'm seeing $70 per hour. Like, see, Jesus. My first job on Mercor. This is crazy.
So like I said, she got an instant work offer after doing what I taught her. She's not even the only one. She's not the only one that I have taught. Other people have thought are currently making money for themselves. So now, like I said, the first thing is to do your resume very well. The second thing is you have to create Stripe account because they pay through Stripe. The only way they pay is through Stripe. Then the second thing is that you have to do those interviews. One thing that you know is that once you have done that interview, because there are different interviews, there's one that is called core interview. That one is very, very important. But that one is once you have done it, you don't need to do it again. Sometimes if you want to apply for some roles, like they'll tell you the type of interview you need to do. And if you have done that interview before, you not do it again. They'll just use that one you did before to apply for that role. You understand? And then sometimes there are assessments. You have to do assessment tests. These are the things, even how to do that interview. If you are afraid, you don't know what to say, there's a strategy I use. So there are many things you need to learn. It's not about knowing the website and go and you just rush and go and sign up. You will get stuck. You understand? So that's the same thing with this, but this particular website, this new one. This one you don't need to do interview. All you have to do is just submit your details and your resume. You understand? Sometimes they will call you for an interview, but most times the ones that have applied, they have not called me for any interview because I even have current tasks that I'm doing here. I have current tasks that I'm doing there. So you can see this one. This one is paying $300 per approved repository. This one is paying $300 per approved repository. Then $75 per approved task. So this is the new website I'm talking about. I deliberately did not mention the name because what you guys know now how to do now is to go and act and cast updates. That's the same way you guys casted Outlier. So that's why I'm not mentioning this particular website's name. But then why I mentioned Mercor AI's name is because many people already know about it. But then why it is not casted is many people don't know how to get started on the website. Some people don't even know how to create good resume. Some people don't know how to create Stripe account. Some people don't know how to do the interview. On Outlier, you don't need to do interview. All you have to do is just do assessment test. But this one, you do assessment test, still do interview. But then those things, I showed strategy. Like there are tools we use to make it very easy for us. So we use those tools to do the assessment and also do the interview. So these things you need to learn before you can start making money. Some of you people will just see people's earning and start shouting, God, when I tap from this grace. But you have to put in work. You have to work. So if you want to learn everything, both the tips and tricks on how to get started on all these AI training websites, including Outlier, Aligner, Data Annotation Tech, Mercor AI, and even this new one that I showed you now. All you have to do is there will be a link in the comment section or in this video's description. Just tap on it. It will bring you to this page. Then you can purchase this particular course right here. Or another option you have is you can message me to join my one-on-one mentorship program. But then I suggest you get started with this one. You tap on the link, you purchase this one, you join my community. Once you purchase it, you get access to the training that shows all the websites I mentioned in this video and more. There are more that I did not mention. It will show you, this course will show you how to get started on those platforms and how to go about it, both the tips and tricks. So you can see if you scroll down, you see testimonials from people I have taught before, and then you understand better about what this course actually covers. You understand what the course covers. You understand better what the course covers. Then once you purchase it, you get access to the course. Then you get access to my WhatsApp community. You understand? So if you have any other question, you drop it in the comment section or you reach out to me. And again, I must warn you, beware of impersonators and scammers. Thanks for watching, and make sure you tap on that subscribe button so that you get notified whenever I post a new video or I post an update about how to make money online. See you next time.